Hello, my name is Effie Dim. I'm a lecturer at the School of Psychology and I am the Director of Student Support for the undergraduate programs in our school. This is a very short video to give you a little bit of an idea of what we do to support the well-being of our students in the School of Psychology. Our starting point always is that students' well-being is the most important thing for us. Everything follows. We do believe that everybody we admit has the aptitude to do very well and succeed on our program. And we do believe that when students are struggling to meet the requirements of the course, to perform to the best of their ability, it is usually because of an underlying well-being issue that may be a short-lived one or a long-lived one. And for that reason, we have put together a very robust system of support. We have a dedicated team of people that are specifically there to support students in their studies with issues that surround their studies. The dedicated team is made up of myself as a director of student support, and then for every year of study, the first, the second, the third year of study, we have a dedicated stage tutor who knows the stage very well and is looking after the students within that stage. We are trying to be, first of all, proactive, and secondly, to offer a comprehensive approach to support. We look actively out for information or for indications that the student may be struggling in their studies. If a student is identified through any of these processes as struggling, then they're invited to an informal support meeting with myself where we talk through the circumstances, and if any needs for support are identified, then we signpost them to the right kind of support. And the university itself has a lot of support in place. We've got a whole dedicated service, the Student Health and Wellbeing Service, that are there exclusively to support students either with long-term conditions or with short-term challenges. And we work very, very closely with members of that team to offer support to our students. We've got our Student Wellbeing Advisor. This is a person who's working within our school, is exclusively dedicated to offering support to students confidentially. They're not involved in the academic side of things in any way at all. And again, they work very closely with academic staff. We've got the personal tutors. So every student is assigned a personal tutor when they join our university. That person is an academic member of staff that has a small group of tutees every year. And this is a person that would be the first port of call for anybody coming, any student coming to our school. This will be someone that you will get to know well over the years. On top of that, we have a couple of things embedded in our program, especially in the beginning, to facilitate the transition into university, which itself can be a challenge. So we have a non-credit module, so a module that doesn't count towards your final degree classification, which is on mental health literacy. And in this module, we have our specialist clinical psychologists teaching students in order to help them understand how much of what is often perceived as mental health difficulties is actually perfectly normal feelings that people go through life, and be able to separate between those and what really requires specialist attention. During our induction week, this is the week before classes begin, our school-based wellbeing advisor and our director of student experience within the school is running a session on transitioning into university and support with that transition. So during that session, you will be asked to do very important things like signing up with a GP in Newcastle if you're not local, send an email to introduce yourself to your personal tutor to set off that relationship, to get it started. You will be shown where support is and how to find it, both online through the university's website and through specific contacts within the school and the university. So I hope that you found this helpful. I wish you the best of luck with your exams coming up, and I'm really looking forward to seeing you here on campus for our induction in September. Thank you.